Hello guys, welcome back to my channel AI with Radhe. Great to see you here. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep coding. In this video, we're going to explore some super important Python modules and packages. Let's jump right into the topics we'll be learning today. The batteries included philosophy. One of the greatest strengths of Python is its batteries included philosophy. When you install Python, you're not just getting a language. You're getting a giant toolbox full of ready-made modules. You don't need to write your own code to calculate square roots or pick random numbers. Python already gives you these tools in the standard library. Ways to import. Import from, as. To use these tools, we bring them into our file using import statements. If we want the whole module, we say import math. If we only need one function, we say from math import sqrt. And if a module has a long name, we can shorten it with an alias like import datetime as dt. These options help keep our code clean and readable. Math and random. Now let's explore a couple of fun modules. The math module handles advanced calculations, giving us constants like pi and functions like square root. The random module is perfect for games, rolling dice, picking winners, generating unpredictable behavior. These two alone can power a lot of creativity in your programs. OS and datetime. Next, we have the utility modules. OS lets your Python code talk to your computer, creating folders, listing files, and navigating paths. Datetime gives you timestamps, which are essential for logging, automation, and scheduling tasks. You'll find yourself using these constantly in real-world projects. The App Store for Python, pip and PyPI. The standard library is powerful, but it doesn't cover everything. If you want to build websites, analyze data, or work with images, you'll need packages made by the Python community. That's where PyPI comes in, the Python Package Index. Think of it as the App Store for Python, with hundreds of thousands of free, reusable packages. Using pip install. To get these community packages onto your computer, we use pip. It stands for pip installs packages. And the best part is, you run it right in your terminal. Just type pip install requests and pip will download and install the library for you. It's fast, automatic, and essential for modern Python development. Example: the requests library. Let's try a real example. The requests library lets your Python code access the internet. With just a couple of lines, you can fetch data from APIs, weather reports, stock prices, game stats, anything. Requests makes it incredibly easy to connect your programs to the outside world. Creating your own package. Moving from script to package. As your projects grow, keeping everything inside one giant main.py file becomes unmanageable. It's messy and hard to maintain. That's why we organize our code into folders. But Python doesn't treat folders like code unless we tell it to. So we convert those folders into actual packages. The _init_.py file. The key to turning a folder into a Python package is a file named _init_.py. That's _init. Double underscore. Even if it's empty, its presence tells Python, yes, this folder contains importable code. It's a simple but important part of building organized software. Importing your own code. Once your structure is set up, you can import your own modules just like Python's. For example, from my_tools import math_tools. Now your code is neatly split into smaller, focused files. This is exactly how professional developers organize websites, games, and AI systems: modular, clean, and scalable.